how to create League of Legends account. If you want to create a League of Legends account, then open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And then in the search bar, search for leagueoflegends.com. And after that, it will take you to the website. And here you can simply tap on sign in. And after that, you will have create account option on the bottom. Click on that. And now you have to enter your email, and after entering your email address, click on start. And then in the second step, it is asking where you were born, so enter your birthday and then you can simply click on next. It is the last step, so here you have to enter your username and then password, and you have to enter your password again to confirm it. And after entering your password, you have to click on this. And then after entering your valuable information, you can click on next. And that's it, guys. That's how you create a Riot Games account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.